see, the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale is going on right now on Hostinger, and this is the absolute best time to grab your hosting plan. They're offering up to 85% off, plus 3 months completely free, and a free domain name. That's a pretty awesome deal. What you need to do is check out the description of this video and click on the special link there. You can also find the coupon code to get an extra discount from the description or in the first pinned comment. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Hostinger Black Friday Cyber Monday page. Just click on Claim Deal. You'll see 3 plans available: Premium, Business, and Cloud. It might look a little different depending on your country, but for this demo, I'm going with the Business plan. So I click on Select. Now, here you can see the pricing details. Scroll down and click on I have a coupon code. Enter the coupon code you found in the description or pinned comment and hit Apply. As you can see, you'll instantly get an extra discount on top of the Black Friday Cyber Monday savings. That's huge! But keep in mind, the specific coupon code for the maximum discount usually works best for the 48-month plan. If you're choosing a 12-month or 24-month plan, there might be a different code in the description that gives you a solid extra discount for those durations. So that's it. Go ahead, check out the link in the description, grab your hosting right now, and don't forget to use the right coupon code depending on your plan for the biggest savings.